What's going on, you guys? Larry the Ghost here, back again with another iPhone beat making tutorial. I know it's been a minute since my last tutorial video and many of you guys have been wondering what I've been up to, and not gonna lie, I've been going through it a little bit. I recently lost my job and amongst other personal things that happened that's been slowing me down, but rest assured your boy's back better than ever. Now that I have more time on my hand, I'll be releasing more tutorial videos and live streaming more frequently, so if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell, and let's dive right in. In today's tutorial, I will be dissecting how I made a rage type beat inspired by Mr. Rage by Trippie Redd and Playboi Carti. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, the tempo is set to 145 BPM. So before we get into the melodic elements, first you need to download the Edges and Angles sound pack on the GarageBand, which you can download for free. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with the genre called future bass, but basically all the rage beats are heavily influenced by the future bass sound, which consists of heavy saw wave, synth chords, and piercing lead sounds. Feel free to look up some future bass chord progressions if you need some help coming up with ideas. Okay, so the first sound I have is the classic Super Saw preset on Alchemy Synth. I have the parameters set in between Super Saw and Soft Attack, which sounds like this. Here are the chord progressions. I'm playing 4 chords throughout the entire beat. Next, we have the lead sound. I'm using the anthemic lead preset. Here are the settings that I'm using in order for me to achieve the sound. And here are the notes that I'm playing. Now you hear how the lead sound is slowly fading in the beginning. This effect is achieved through automation. Click on the track icon, click automation, draw in the automation like this, and you should be able to achieve the fade in effect, which sounds like this. Next, I have the sub bass playing the root note of the chord progression, which sounds like this. Make sure you have your headphones on. Now, before the beat drops, you hear the tape stop effect, which is achieved by clicking this effects button on the top left corner. Simply press record and press the effect you want to apply. Make sure you get the timing right. Now for my hi-hats, 808s, and claps, I am using my own drum kit called the 100 kit. Link is in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out. It's the best way to support my contents and keep the channel growing.